Alright guys, you're welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to quickly talk about how you can carry out transcription or caption for your videos for free on CapCut, right? The process on CapCut, if you want to carry out a transcription for a particular video, you have to pay for it. You have to get subscribed. So look at auto caption, for instance. You can see that it's carrying diamond. It means that I need to have access to a pro account before I'll be able to carry out that particular process. So I have been able to make research and get access to how it's possible for you to get it done yourself, right? So once you're on your CapCut, you have the video. You can see that once you select the language, right, and you come to bilingual caption, here now you want to have double languages, right? But you can't do that because it's diamond and you have to pay to be able to do that, right? So if you want to do autofill, the same thing. Now what you do is that you select the local caption. That means that you can upload a file, right? You can upload a file. Once you upload the file, that's SRT file, LRL file, or ASS file. Those files now can be attached to this. But the question is that how can I generate the file for this particular video? So I'll take you guys in this video step by step. So the first thing you want to do is this. So you want to go ahead and export just the audio of this particular file. So I'm currently, I believe you can see my screen. You click on export. You export just the audio, right? Just the audio. Now, when you export all the audio in MP3 format, right, you can see that it's just 1 MB. You click on export. Make sure it's in a place where you can locate the file. Once the file is done uploading, you click on open folder. Now, you open the folder so that you can see where the file is. Now, don't forget that when you come back here, when you come back to this particular file, I've opened the folder where the file is. You see that you need SRT file, LRC file, or ASS file. So for SRT file, you go on your browser, right? Let me go to my browser right now. I want to make MP3 to SRT file converter free online. There are different websites that can help you do that. So you come to pdfsimply.com. So PDF Simply will help you convert that audio you just downloaded now to an SRT file. Very simple, without any stress. So currently we are here. So all I need to do is go to my video that I just exported, drag it across right now to the page and paste it there. So it's going to process it and then convert it to an SRT file. I'm waiting for that to happen right now. So it is done getting that done. So select and upload. We have already done it. Get it started. So look at it. This is the same audio that I sent to it just now. It has, let me play it and see. All right, guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is the video. This is the audio from that particular video, and it is about 68 seconds, right? So please, so it's about 68 seconds. So let me quickly click on convert the audio to convert the audio, right? So I'll just click on download. It will download. Now, before you download, make sure you are downloading in the right available format. Okay, this one is not giving me SRT format, right? Download as, this one is saying M4F. So let's see what CapCut is giving us. CapCut is giving us to download as SRT, LRC, and ASS. I believe this website is not giving us as an SRT file, right? Let me check quickly. Okay, this one doesn't have SRT file format. Let me cancel this. So I'm trying to use another website now. So you can just make sure that whatever website you're using, out of all the list of websites you have here, website that will allow you to convert to SRT. You can see this one didn't give me SRT option. This one also, let me see now. Let's see if it's going to give me SRT option. Let me drag the video right now, very quickly. Drag the video and drop it. Drop it here. Done. The video, okay, this is it. It's exporting. Start the transcription. Once it's done downloading, now the next thing you want to do is that once it's done downloading in the SRT format, you just upload it directly on CapCut website. There's another website available now. So this Turbo, this is the website I used that day. Yes, TurboScribe. This TurboScribe will work for us now. So let's go to the TurboScribe very quickly. This is it. You can see that I've generated some audios here. So I'll come here and transcribe file. So I'll click on transcribe file. I will go and drag the file right now and drop it on that particular, on this option for it to upload the file. Once the file is done uploading, I'll scroll down, leave it at the whale option, and then click on, it's uploading right now. Once it's done uploading, I'll let you know what next to do. Right now, we are good with this particular, so you can see that I can click on transcribe right now, leaving it at the whale format. Now you can see that this is done. This is the video now, it is done. So All right guys, so once the whole thing is done downloading, is done transcribing, you click on these three links you're seeing here, three buttons. You click on export transcription and you click on I've downloaded it before, so I want to download again. Click on download again. Once it's done downloading, let me go back now, so that, because there are some settings you are supposed to select. Once you want to download at first, it will show you this, right? So you make sure you select SRT, export as SRT file, because don't forget that CapCut will be requesting you to upload an SRT file, right? SRT file is what they'll be expecting you to upload. You can see that. Let me delete this so that you see what I'm saying. If you are trying to upload, how to do that. So if this video looks, you are trying to upload it, you need to upload an SRT file. So I'm done downloading the file. So once you select SRT, you click on download, and here now you can edit the number of words you want to be showing per page. So if I want 2 words to be showing per time, 2 words to be showing. If I want 3 will be showing. If I want 4 will be showing, and then you can download based on what you want. But in this one, I will make sure it is just 1 word per time. So I'll go back to CapCut right now and go ahead and import the file. Once it's done that, I'll import the file. Once I click on open, it will import the file. Once the file is done importing, I'll just click bring my tag to my timestamp to the beginning and click on plus. Once I click on plus, it will import it. That the audio stop exactly where this particular audio is, right? No issue. The audio stop exactly where the audio is. So what do you do next? You will see that once you play through. All right, hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. You can see that the font or the text is yet to be edited and it's not showing up properly, right? So what do? You zoom in. Let me zoom into the timestamp. Click on it. You can see that the first text here is having unnecessary word. I will delete them and then come to font and increase the font to about 10, depending on what you want and that will work for you. You can bolden it, right? You can change everything to capital letter, small letter, or capital letter combination with small letter. You can change the color of the text, do whatever you want. You can centralize it or do whatever you want, or select the preset style. Let me select the preset style, and then you can also change the font of the video of the text, right? You can change the font. So let me change the font here to something that is nice, right? You can go down from all this Chinko format and then select something that is nice. So I've downloaded this before. Let's select it. So once I'm done selecting, I can preview and you'll see how it looks like right now. All right, hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. This is Gagmala speaking. In today's video, now you can see that there's a mistake in my name, so I will adjust it. I would edit that part. You can see this is supposed to be a proper Akingbola Ezekiel, right? So this is a simple method to be able to generate caption without stress on CapCut. You can see that I've been able to generate this without any stress. I can add animation. Guys, welcome back to this channel. If you want to add animation, it's possible. So click on animation and then go to the free ones, right? You can add animation to each of the fonts, depending on whichever one you want. You can add animation. Let's say you want to add animation. The animation, you want a basic animation. Let's go to animation. You want this one. You download and then I'll ask it to import it. This will loop. You can see the way it's coming up. If you like it, fine. You allow it to go through. Let me play. All right, hello guys, you're welcome back to this channel. So you see the way, this is just a simple step on how you can carry out create caption on CapCut free of charge without paying a dime. My name is Agbola Ezekiel. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and do well to make sure you share this video with as many creators that need this particular video. Please make sure you share with them. Share with your friend and that particular friend that needs CapCut Pro, that doesn't have money for CapCut Pro, but needs to be able to carry out the process of being able to, add caption to their video. See you in the next video, and peace out.